Okay, we doing okay? I can't. Okay, I'm recording. Okay. I don't know what that light is. It says that my back door, right door is ajar, but it is not. It's been opened and closed several times. In fact, open and close it again, Raz. It shows that the airbag is not enabled or something. You cannot get out of the driver's door, open the driver's door. Cannot get out. When I got in the car, my charger was unplugged from the accessory. The door was shut on it. Now I do not have any power to it. There's a red light that comes on that is not coming on. You put it in the back and it... Take a picture of it. And the light does come on. The back one works, the front one is not. When you shut off the car, I've never seen this error before. But when we came back out of the store, that light was still on for no reason. Okay, let's go up. This remains on all the time, which shouldn't, unless you touch it. Nobody's touched it. It should not be on.
You have to go from the outside to open this door.
There's a screen back on again after it was just turned itself off. Close the door. Turn off the light in there. Okay, close the door. It's going to turn itself off. We'll see if it remains off. Meanwhile, this is still on. My light here is still on. Is the light on that side?
Yes, right here. Yeah, it's right here.
This light is still on. None of these problems existed before we took it in for repairs. There it's showing that the door is ajar again. The screen should automatically shut off on its own right now. It should not have to go through this process. So keys are out of the car.
Saying this to Mom or something? What are you doing?
The light goes off, but if you open up the door to get out, it comes back on and does it again.
It's okay. Can you come over and open this?
Yes. The lights by the mirror are still on. The Access lights are still on. All of the lock buttons are remaining red. I don't recall them staying on all the time. The paperwork says that the windshield wiper, or the windshield fluid, was filled. So we're going to open up the reservoir. And you can't see in there that well, but that is not filled. That is absolutely not filled. So it makes you wonder what else was done or not done. I'm not sure what is supposed to be checked on a 50,000 mile checkup, but no air filter was removed. You can see the dust all over everything. No fingerprints. So I don't know what they checked underneath the hood for a 50,000 mile checkup.